I just want to respond to a thread that is developing in these comments and that I suspect will continue to be developed. There's considerable reporting now about Republicans trying to reinvent January 6th, that it wasn't so bad, actually. It was really Antifa that did it. It wasn't really Trump supporters. It wasn't an insurrection. It wasn't an effort to block the vote count. And I think we're going to see more and more of that. And it's basically a simple insistence that repetition can defeat truth. Sort of gaslighting at industrial scale. And I happen to actually like and admire Eric Holder quite a lot. The context of Eric's time at the Department of Justice was that under the previous administration, things had gotten so out of hand that the Attorney General had to resign. The Attorney General of the United States had to resign. There were torture memos that were so bad they were withdrawn by that Justice Department. There were warrantless wiretapping memos that were so bad that the department leadership said it would quit if it wasn't fixed. This is all within a Republican administration. There was the U.S. Attorney political firing scandal and then a political shutdown of that investigation by Attorney General Mukasey. The Whitehouse contacts rule was abandoned so that willy-nilly people in the White House in political roles like Karl Rove could chat about matters with the Department of Justice. Thankfully, Attorney General Holder rebuilt that rule, and I believe it's been relatively honored, and I know that Merrick Garland will honor it. Eric was the first ever African-American Attorney General for the first ever African-American president. And there was an enormous diet of what I would consider to be whipped up faux scandals that mostly got traction in right-wing media, not in any kind of serious disciplinary or other review. He had to undertake a massive cleanup to put the department back in order after the Bush-Gonzalez years. And in my view, I actually think that they dodged some tough calls that I would have liked to have seen. I would have liked to have seen them look at why false statements made by 501c4s shouldn't be investigated, at least apparently false statements. I'd like to see them explain why the tobacco case, which the department won, isn't a model for a civil investigation by the Department of Justice into the fossil fuel climate denial fraud. So this effort to cast the Obama-Holder years as some sink of political abuse is really turning the facts on their head. It is gaslighting, and it's wrong. If you want to know how things went under the Trump Department of Justice, let's just say that they refused to investigate or prosecute a president. Just refused to, because of an OLC opinion that has never been vetted by an Article III court. Read the brief filed by retired United States District Judge Gleason on behalf of sitting United States District Judge Sullivan. And you will find out basically all you need to know about the political mischief of the Trump Department of Justice. So let's not reverse history here. Let's tell the truth.